So guys, finally there is a good news for the GB WhatsApp lovers. In 3 days we have got 2 updates. Now because yesterday I got the update GB WhatsApp 16.30.0. Earlier I was using GB WhatsApp 16.20.0. Now I can show you here. I have already updated. So when I click here, then I go to GB settings, and on the bottom you can see that upgraded GB, and here you can find version 16.30.0. So if you have not updated yet, please click here and update. Update process is quite different. Yesterday I made a video when I got the update, so you can check it out. Still, if you are facing problem that you are not able to update your GB, you can write in the comment section. I will try to tell you how to update it. Actually the process is quite different this time. Let us talk about what the things have been changed. If I will tell you what the thing has been changed, in the top highlighted option is here. You can see that Telegram. Now by using GB WhatsApp you can also control your Telegram. How would you do that? I'll tell you. Here you can see that these all the messages are from the Telegram. Means by using GB WhatsApp you can control 2 things. You can also control your WhatsApp messages, and you can also control your Telegram messages. So you may say that there is a tie-up between Telegram and WhatsApp. You not WhatsApp exactly, GB WhatsApp. So this is one of the biggest update that we have got this time. Not this time exactly. It was available in 16.20.0. So now it is also available. If we talk about some other features, earlier what was having an issue was that when we were clicking any application and we were clicking on 3 dots, hide chat. When we hide, then what happens? Earlier we were facing the issue that we are typing the same name or contact number, then it was coming in search option. You can see that still it is there. So means that this bug is already there. This bug has not been changed. If you are trying to hide anyone, hide chat, then that hide comes in the search box. So this was earlier available and now also available. Rest the things I told you that this thing have been changed. How would you do this? I'll tell you. In the bottom you can get the plus button. Home screen is almost the same. When you click here plus button, then you will have all the same options. Theme store, home screen customization, and conversation customization. Here from you can change your voice calling interface, and more you can see here. You can create a new message here, new message and new contact you want to save. Then you can click here, and you can click here. Also you can create a new group. So these options were almost the same in the previous version. By clicking this option you can enter in the GB settings. Once when we click here in the three dots, almost same options are there. You can see here new group, new broadcast, WhatsApp web, start messages, payments, GB settings, message number, message scheduler, restart GB WhatsApp, and settings. I don't think so that I need to tell you all the options. Let us go to directly jump into the GB settings. I have already explained almost in every video that how many options are there, what are the uses of these you may say the options. So I don't think so that this is needed to be tell you today. I'll click here in the GB settings, and then you can see that almost same options are here. Like as privacy and security, once you click here, then there is no option changes. Last seen, hide and disable forwarded, who can call me, hide view status, anti-delete status, and chats related anti-delete messages, show blue ticks after reply. These all the options are same because I have got that solution that earlier what was happening, a lot of viewers were making comment that when I was trying to make message to anyone, then it was going properly, but when I was in like as I did not open the GB WhatsApp, if someone is sending message to me, I'm not able to receive. So finally the bug has been sorted out. Now if someone is sending message to you, you are properly receiving the messages. Second thing I'm telling you again that ads are still available. If you want to see that, you want to block the ads, I have told you the process. In official GB WhatsApp, ads are available because these ads are the income source of official GB WhatsApp server. Let's talk about the latest highlighted feature. Click on GB settings, then you can see here plugin, Telegram plugin. What you need to do, actually in your application this will be like this. I'll just show you disable, and you need to enable that. Because I have already enabled, for me it will not take much time just to enable, but for you little bit process here. Same number you are using GB WhatsApp, same number you should have in Telegram. Means Telegram and GB WhatsApp number should be same. And then what will happen, you should enable it. Once when you enable it, what will happen, you will get a message in your mobile phone of Telegram verification. So you need to enter here in the same option. You will click here and you will go to the Telegram plugin, and you have to enter here the same code that you get. Once you enter the code, what will happen, if any contact of yours is available on Telegram and send you messaging or Telegram, then you will receive the messages in also GB WhatsApp. Once this icon will be also generated here, this option will be added in the home screen. When you click here, you can see that these all the messages I received from my Telegram, and here I can show you that Telegram messages are here. If I want to reply anyone, I can click here and I can also reply. So you can see that I have received messages and I have replied. So by one application now you can control two things. You can also use as in WhatsApp and you can also use in Telegram. Actually not like fully Telegram, but still some things are added. Maybe in the next update we will find more options related to Telegram, because I believe that Telegram and GB WhatsApp almost going to tie up with each other. So maybe we will receive the thing. So this is all about today. I have told you that if you are facing any problem just to update this application, you can write in the comment section. I will try to make a video just to tell you. So finally, this is all about today. If you have any issues, you can write in the comment section. Very soon you will see again in next video, maybe with the next topic. For the time being, bye bye and take care.